Hello and welcome back to my channel Being Rocky. I hope everyone is having a safe and wonderful day. Well, today I got an awesome menu for you. I'm kidding. We're just making the funnest thing I ever had in my whole life in Guyana. Guess what we're doing? We're making kite tonight. Because Easter is coming up. So I'm going to make some kite. Me and Alicia is going to come and I'm going to show Alicia how we used to make kite back home in Guyana. Alright? So let's get started. Alright? So this is a Guyanese YouTuber collab. And the YouTubers are Charmaine's Kitchen, Cooking with Ash, Nikki's Family, Hook and Cook Real Life, and the Caribbean Ducks. Alright? So if you haven't checked them out, guys, give them a check out, show them some love. So the biggest reason why kites are flown, it symbolizes the resurrection of Jesus Christ. Alright, the fun begins. So, first thing, these are not the real kite paper like what we get in Guyana. These are tissue paper that you put in the gift bag. But it works really, really good. Because I make big kite to them before. And I fly the kite and it worked good, right, babes?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I got all different colors. Alicia buy this one. Alicia says she want me to make a little kite for her with this shiny thing here. So I'm gonna show Alicia how to make kite and she gonna make a little kite. We got a couple other colors here. This is pastel. Who can remember this? You know what this called? You know what you call this?
What?
This is called a catarril. But in Guyana, they normally make with wood. You see, comes Easter, is known as the broom that you sweep the house with. The broom normally be like this big. Easter time, the broom like this little. So, I couldn't find no broom. So, I went by my house, my friend's house, and I borrowed some from him. I teach you broom and bring you one. Alright, Fahim, thank you. So, today I'm gonna make some broom kite. I think I'm gonna make one Starpoint. And I'll show Alicia how I'll make a board kite.
Wow.
Right? So, in Guyana, we got a tree that actually bear the paste. It's a fruit. It bear, and most of Easter time, that's when the fruit get ripe and green that we paste the kite with. But over here, we don't have that, so I'm gonna use my glue. I got my little cutter and my little scissors to make my kite frills. Alright? So, my mom used to sew, right? And in the sewing machine, where the thread come out to the needle, is it's something they call like a bobbin.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
a metal thing they call bobbin. So every day I come from school, mom would miss your bobbin. And there's a kite that we make with a book page. They call Caddy Punch. It's just two broom. You cut the piece like that, and it's two broom. You make the loop and one tail and fly in time. Alright? So a regular kite got like 1, 2, 3, and then if you want to sing, you put a piece here and then you put the head. So Ali, why you want one that sing?
Yes.
Want to make a singing kite?
Yes.
Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna break the broom out. Then look at this. You want to see how fast I make a kite, Ali? To go fly it?
Time me that.
Okay.
Yeah,
Hold on, let me get my timer.
man, I used to be a professional at this, Ali. Look at this, right? See? That's a thread. What you do now, this is how you get your measurement. So both sides of the kite, look. Right? This, right? See? Tight out there. Look at that.
Wow.
See skills there, right? And then one, see? That's one. Then what you do is break that one, measure it back, measure it back, measure it back, measure it back. Then you break there.
What?
Right? So this is part of our kite already. So on that one now, normally what I do is, some of the broom kind of limber, you know? So I'm gonna check out this good broom there. Right? So we're gonna break this now. We're not gonna cut this yet. When we done frame the kite, then we're gonna make this up, Ali. You see that? You like that, right? Yeah, Ali? Man, a week or 2 weeks before Easter, you start looking for kite frame. Because we make like wood kite, like what Daddy used to make. Yeah, the big ones. Man, every day you're back a kite. Every day, kite, Easter time. I think like by now, back in the days in Guyana, we don't start fly kite already.
Really?
Yeah.
Test it out.
Yeah, you start make, then you find what style you want. Guyana, we get like Starpoint, right? Then you get like diamond kite. People make box kite, board kite, plane. Every kite that you think about, they make and fly kite.
Wow.
In Guyana, we make and fly them.
Nice.
See, we're gonna use one of this little limber one for the head. Right? So we're gonna put this here. I love making kite. I love to do this. Yeah, like.
How quick you frame out the...
Yeah, look, see?
2 minutes.
2 minutes? Wow.
Look at that, right? Boom. And there goes my kite frame. Right? So what I'll do now, I'll bring it here, give it a nice little tie up everything. Bam. Roll this up there. You can't see the thread, but see, I roll it on that one like that, and then we're gonna start on the broom. What? That not see like that guy get the glasses?
Hold on, you want me to get it?
Nah, just one. Right? Look at that. The broom is a little limber, but you can't make no big kite. That really gotta get glasses, Ali.
Okay, let me go
Okay.
get it. 1 sec.
Yeah. Ali, how long it took me to frame the kite? 2 minutes?
2 minutes.
Alright? So I'm gonna make the head now. So what you gotta do is, what we normally do is, you bite the broom a little bit, so once you put it onto the thread, see?
It hooks.
Yeah, it hooks, so you're not gonna lose out.
Little tricks.
Little tricks. Right? Then you tie it. The thread is black and my pants is black. So you tie it there. You go to wrap there.
Snowbell is so quiet.
That's it. And then now, you see how high you want. You can't make the head too high or your kite go lap. Bam. That's perfect right there. So you cut that there. Bite it a little bit. Put it to your chest. And put it down. You know, brace it a little bit. Then you tie it up here now. Here's my thread. My
that-
kite is almost done.
So you stole my sewing kit.
Yes. You can't make kite without sewing supplies, so that's why I bring your kit. Right? So, guys, there you have it. Easter time, my mom buys extra thread.
Aww.
Ali, grandmother's buy extra thread for me Easter time.
Oh.
Yeah. See? Look.
Already framed.
Here,
Mm-hmm.
got some little cutter reel. Right? Inside here got some little cutter reel. Yep. What I'm gonna do now,
So hold your kite up, let me see.
I'm gonna tie the head. Wait till I make the head and then I hold it up.
Okay.
This is so fun, dude. You don't know the fun we had in Guyana making kite. You don't know the fun. The fun is you gotta go search bamboo. You gotta go search the tree. You gotta find the tree to get the piece to make the kite. And then you go Easter and you fly your kite and then you kite salt bread.
It didn't fly.
No, it's like pitch and then boop. We call salt bread when you go in the water and it's wet. We call it salt bread. You call it salt bread.
Aw.
And that's it. So you cry and come home.
Or they just put razor blade, right?
Yeah, you put some, they like put razor blade. But we didn't live like far from the seawall. So the cane fielders there. And kite just cut and go in there. So you just find yours. So when you see like a long twine, you don't know somebody kite cut and you just follow the twine, you find the kite. Yeah. Look at that, right? Dude,
Nice.
dude. How cool is that?
Very cool.
You can see this?
Maybe if you put it on the dark floor there, this side, here, look.
That's what I'm doing. Wait. I'll open this up. Because I gotta use it anyway, right?
Okay.
Look at this. I'll take one of this. And look at my kite. I could paste it with one of this, you know. Like on one color and then put stripes on it. Look. Look at my kite. I got it straight here. See? Look at it.
The frame.
You
done.
see it?
Yeah, nice. Very nice.
Alright. So, like this now, we could paste this kite just like this, right? We can make like color, like, you know? Let me put this paper so you guys can see. Right? So what we can do is, or we can paste the whole kite white. And what we normally do is like make like a red spot in all the, like where the pointer there. Make like, put like a red broom. And then you make a star in the middle. And then you make your frills. And then you put like a nice little crown here.
Oh my God, that's so nice.
But we're not gonna do that.
Okay.
What we're gonna do is we call it, where I'm from East Coast, we call it, you put a pattern on the kite. So we're gonna make like a Starpoint thing like.
Okay.
Right? So it's gonna have 1, 2, 3 color.
Nice.
So this is one of my kite frame. Gotta straighten up the middle. If you're not straighten up the middle, then you make the kite not look good. Ali.
Place it on this chair here, Daddy.
You,
On
can,
that,
can you see it?
Yeah.
You
Yes, I see it perfect. Yes.
Sit there now.
There you go, guys.
Right?
One is done. Done.
One is done. You're not done frame yet, but that's how the kite will look. Right? Alright? So let me find. Oh yeah, I know I had like light color thread. Good. So I had some light. And remember this.
That's
What you call this?
you do pattern I give up.
Who remember, drop a comment and let me know. I'm not gonna tell you guys what they do with this in Guyana. Look. See?
Is that work for them like them kerchief and stuff you just do them and design? No, then design.
It is.
It is from
Yeah.
It is embroidery.
Yeah.
But what you call the thread.
Oh yeah, Grandma been asked for this thread. Remember we went to Michael's
Yeah.
no Joanne Fabric and buy for her?
Yes.
Yeah. I
So,
forgot.
Ali,
Mm-hmm.
so let me see. We got one, two, right? So this, I'm not make a big board kite, right, Ali?
Okay.
I'm gonna make a little board kite and show you how we're gonna start with the board kite. I hope the thread is strong enough. So same thing again, right? Gonna start like this. Gotta get like a little limb, right? Let me see how we get it. Boom, boom, right? Yeah, it's limber enough. Good, right? So you're gonna start here from the broom. We start on the bottom of the broom. Eh? So you're gonna tie this up here now.
He's happy. Yeah?
Yeah?
I said you look so happy.
I am. Remember back in the days, man, doing this with my cousin every day. And don't fight. Fight inside.
Who kite more nice?
Yeah. Right? So, now I gotta get this to bend. But this kind of broom is not like what we have in Guyana, you know? What is this, Ali?
What is that? Is that the?
Right?
You're so quiet.
Huh? Is it quiet?
You're so quiet.
Have you ever made this kind of kite before?
Yeah.
For me?
No, I never make this kind of kite. Right? Then I'm gonna run it down here. This kite is cool. This is a cool kite.
Have you decided what colors you want to do on each one?
I think I'm gonna do that one. Normally the Starpoint is like red, white, and blue.
Okay.
Right? The Starpoint normally be red, white, and blue. So
Holly, you forgot to time your dad.
Oh yeah, I didn't
What?
time you
That's
with this
okay.
frame.
no, it's alright. Right? Good. Then, same thing goes for here. You wrap it and you bring it here, right?
Okay.
Pull. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna tie it here now. Boom. Boom. Now, this is it. This is the awesome part, Ali. This is the awesome part. Let's see, we get one. This one is good. And this one is good. So you're gonna break this two here. And you're gonna put this here. Right?
You watching me, honey?
You watching me? He's like, wait. I know you're gonna say, how come you never make this kite before?
I know. I'm wondering the same thing.
Right? So,
You're holding out on us.
I know. You know much kite? I mean, Guyana, we're like, I think Guyanese make the best kite. Right? Right. You roll this up there. Normally what you do is, you see all this thread? You take a piece of this broom, and we call it, you ball it up.
Oh.
You make a baller. So it's easier to work with the broom and the kite.
Okay.
But I'm just doing this now. You know, so it never loose out. Ah, there it goes. It did loose out. Remember you make big 12-foot, 15-foot kite.
Oh my
To
God.
fly, yeah.
And they fly?
Yeah, they used to have like a competition. The biggest kite and the smallest kite.
Oh wow.
But the biggest kite, you have to fly it. And the smallest kite, you got to fly it to win, you know? Once, I forget how long it was to stay up. If you make a kite, you got to stay up and fly.
Oh, 15 foot? Oh my God.
Oh yeah, big kite.
You sure? 15 foot?
Yeah, man. You guys are make big kite, man. You guys are make kite so big, they're not even able to fly it. They just make it for walk around with. Yep. Guyana, when you like, most of the time you're gonna see Walgo fly kite, right? Most of the time you're gonna see Walgo fly kite. Every village that you go to, get a big kite. Yeah. Every village you go to, get one big kite. So that them, you know. It's funny. Kite is nice to me. I love making
And maybe the guys them I made the big kite for catching girl.
Ah,
And girl like watch the kite.
me no girl. And you attack.
What you used to do?
Me no you attack, buddy. Right? So this, what you see there, Ali? See how it's forming there now?
Yeah.
Right?
Looking good.
Yes. So then do this, tie it up a couple times there. It's not gonna be perfect. Yeah, because you know. You're gonna paste this one, Ali.
Okay.
You paste the board kite. That's what we call it. You paste the kite. Ghana, you say you paste kite. Pasting kite time.
So I took a break and went to get a snack. I came back and look what Rock did. made a little kite.
I made a little kite for Ali.
Thank you.
Ali, you
Look
gonna
how
paste?
cute.
You go paste this one, or you want that paste it for you?
You paste it.
Put
So
it
we
on your
mess
pants,
up.
honey.
Hmm.
No, not on the white. Let's see. Put it on your pants. Look.
Gotta straighten it up here.
Too cute.
It's a little kite. So, see the board, kite?
Let's see.
Oh, and meanwhile you went, look what I did to this. Can you see, babe?
You keep putting it on the white. I can't see. Oh, yes.
That's the Starpoint, you see it?
Oh, yeah.
Did that with a thread.
Look at the bird.
Yeah.
Is that Snowbell? You made Snowbell?
Yeah. Alright, so which one you want to paste first?
I kind of want to see how you paste the bird kite.
Good. Alright. So what color we gonna do with the bird?
What color do you think, Mom?
I don't know. Well, let's
Come
see
here, bird.
Daddy Kite and Baby Kite. Let's see. Oh, cute. I love it.
Bird kite. What color you want? Let's get started on this one first. So,
Pastel?
Maybe, yeah, pastel
a
color.
pastel bird?
Yes, pastel
No.
colors.
Or
No,
maybe
you want
like
bright?
Red and...
I make a blue saki. You know guys, I get blue saki?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do that.
We'll see. Wow. Look at this. Woo. Look at my colors, baby. Look at my colors.
Nice.
Look at my red. Make one yellow. We do yellow and let me see what color. You gotta make this one yellow, and then we are making like a kiskidi.
Or a Tweety bird, like
Yeah.
our Tweety.
Yellow wings, right? Or yellow bird. We're gonna, alright. Fly away. Good. So now, let me get my paste. It's a fun night.
And those are like regular glue sticks.
Yeah, these are glue sticks. I always buy these glue sticks just to play with them. Right? And then, see how they're purple? Well, let's make it this one here, Ali.
You could do it with the polka dot.
The polka dot bird.
Yes, you can do.
That'll be nice.
Yes, that'll be
Right?
cute. Yeah.
All right. So we do. We forget we had this. So we're gonna do polka dot bird. Good. All right. How much sheet? Oh yeah, we got enough. We got enough.
I think those ones are more nice. Those colors.
These colors are pretty. Look.
More vibrant. Yeah.
Yeah. And it's 2 sets that came in the pack, babes.
Nice.
Nice.
All right. So here we go with our bird. Hey, Dylan, Kite, wanna come? Go back over there, buddy. Good. There we go. First we do is this. Right? Get it good.
You're like a kid.
Mm-hmm.
Excited.
Then get this. Now we're gonna do it like this. First we're gonna do paste the broom. Right? You're gonna pull it a little stiff. See, there goes the thread. You wanna know how I could see that, eh? Look at that there. Right. One wing.
Nice.
Then Ali bought this to me. So now, guys, I got a little old, so this is the technical part now, babes. See that? Because you don't want to cut the thread, you know? If you cut the thread, you mess up the whole kite there.
Honey,
Huh?
how's the kite coming?
Awesome, look at it.
See? Turn it around.
It's a blue saki.
Wow.
Eh?
Nice. Very nice.
It's a blue saki.
I love it.
You love my kite?
Uh-huh.
It's awesome, right?
And I see you got your 4-wheel. What is that?
Where? Ha! How'd I get there? You just brought that there? When I was facing my kite?
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even see it.
Look, rack
Say again.
4-wheel.
Man, forget my 4-wheel van. It's not no 80 wagon.
Look. That's our Easter truck. Honey busy.
Busy, look at my kite. You're gonna see my kite in a minute. Kite is awesome. Ali, you got a piece of kite.
Okay.
Wow, honey.
There you have. My board is almost done. Right?
Uh-huh.
You like it, Ali?
Yes, it looks amazing.
To my group, guys, thank you for making me do the fun part of the work. Woo, look.
Making the kite.
Making the kite. Right?
It kind of looked like a peacock.
It does?
Uh-huh. I love it.
Right. It's nice. I love this.
I love it too, honey.
Love it, Ali?
Yes, I love it.
This your little kite?
Yes.
You see how, look, see? When I fly, see how when you make the loop here, right? That's how you make the loop, and when you fly, the wings bend back like that. Like, see how that happens? Look when that, look, see?
Oh yeah.
That's when it flies, that's how it looks.
Nice.
Beautiful, honey.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
So you gotta show how you make your frills.
My friends.
The next one you'll show how you make your frills.
In Guyana,
Uh-huh.
you just make frills like this, right? See this here? Right? Instead of frills. I'm gonna show you what we do Easter time. Right? I mean when you grow up and stuff like that, you don't want to make kite and thing. So you do this, you get a couple different colors. Right? This is what you do. This is when you go line. You're not gonna fly kite, you go line. You walk from one village seawall to the next.
Okay.
Right? So this is what you do. Kite where they seawall. But because the breeze blow, you get a couple well, you know, different colors. And you get your broom like this. Yeah. You say buy a hustle girl. you know, I'm trying to train a little shark.
So silly.
Yeah, this year hustle girl with a sea wall on, you know. Sea frills. All the guys gonna remember this. All the older guys gonna remember this.
Wow.
Like, pretty, right?
So pretty.
Alright.
Let me hold it straight, honey. Let me show the details. Okay, so Rock did the eye. And then the tail. And that's his bird kite.
That's the one done.
Nice. It's so beautiful, honey.
It's pretty.
Very nice.
Alright. So let me paste out Ali little kite.
Turn the back. Let's see how you did the work. Everything is so neat. Look, guys. Honey did a neat job.
So we can make a kite.
Of course, you pass, you pass. Whee!
Alright.
Uh-huh.
On to another one.
Nice. Good job, Lovey. Pink.
Pink. For Ali.
Nice.
Middle little twist. But at the broom, it's not the kite, it's the broom.
Okay.
So now, this here, what we're gonna do is, I'll take a piece of paper. What we do is, this right, this paper here, take a little piece of paper. That's it. What you do is you fold it like this. Right? Cut out the edge, make it straight, and then you make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know what you do with that now, Ali? Look at this, right? This, Guyana, is your little details on your kite. You want your kite look nice. Then you put stripes on it there.
Wow, Rock.
Right? Is the little details on the kite. And you take a next one. You put a next stripe. But what you do is you don't put it all the way to the top, because we're gonna take a next piece of paper and we're gonna make a star.
Okay.
Right? Kite number 2. Alicia little kite. Kite puts up, bust up your head. How do you like it, kite?
Yes, I love it.
Let's see the details. Hold it up. Beautiful. Wow.
Alright. On to another one.
Nice.
Little kite. This truck back here, that kite, how you big?
Nice.
Alright. So this is the one I am gonna go do now. Alright guys, thank you guys so much from the bottom of our heart, and all the YouTubers that's in this collab. we thank you guys, because without you guys, we couldn't be doing this. And the next person that's gonna be going after me in this collab is gonna be Nikki's family. Guys, please check him out. Show him some love. He's an awesome YouTuber. All right. So guys, you saw me making my Guyanese style Starpoint kite. These are the kind of kite that we normally would fly in Guyana on Easter Day. This is awesome, isn't it?
Oh, pretty.
When we make these kind of kite in Guyana, you couldn't sleep the night. You can't wait to wake up the next day to go fly kite. All right. So that's one. This is Alicia kite. And this is the bird kite. This is for you, babes.
That's so pretty. Thank you.
You want this one? Right? So guys, once again, from the bottom of my heart and my family, we thank you guys for all the support you have shown us. All right? And if you haven't, please like and subscribe